are poised with excitement to announce our brand new series in Albuquerque, New Mexico and the greater area.
Yes, if you're new here, we are a real estate team that's passionate about our city.
And what better way to highlight Albuquerque than to take a tour through all the neighborhoods?
Whether you're relocating within Albuquerque or you're moving here from out of state, we're going to take you on a tour of our city.
And our first feature neighborhood today is Academy Estates East and its area, so let's go take a look. Welcome to Academy Estates East, one of Albuquerque's best kept secrets. Let's go check it out. So as you come in, you're really just gonna notice how big the lots are in this neighborhood and how you just see a bunch of opportunity around for ranch style homes. You got these sprawling floor plans. This neighborhood was brought up dominantly in the 1980s. So a lot of the houses have these hardwood finished cabinets. You're gonna see a lot of stone inside of the houses, a lot of the luxury type atmosphere for the 1980s and of that time. You'll notice right as you drive through is they planted a lot of trees. You just see trees all the way around, which brings a nice living environment, sense of establishment of the neighborhood. The average square footage in this neighborhood is right around 2,500 square feet, but it will range and vary. You can have 4,000 square foot houses in this neighborhood all the way down to, I've seen a couple of 1,300 square foot houses. On average, you see those 3-4 bedroom houses, 2,500 square feet, 3 bath. Now, as far as pricing in this neighborhood, because the square footage does vary, you're gonna see wide scales of price ranges. You know, on average, you're right around the 450 range, 450,000, but you will see homes go all the way up to about 695 most recently. For the smaller square footage, you see 300,000. Now, let's talk about the area.
So when you're considering a neighborhood, you want to look at convenience, and man, does the Mountain Run Shopping Center provide that. You have the Smith's grocery store here, which is a local grocery store to New Mexico. You've got Walgreens. You've got one of our favorite coffee shops for our team, which is Meraki, that just recently opened. You've got Mykonos, it's a Greek restaurant. You've got good old DQ around the corner and many other options for the shopping center. Also nearby, you have the Promenade Shopping Center. You have True Value. You've got Annapura's vegetarian restaurant. You've also got Rustic Italians and many other options within there to choose from.
Now, one of the things I really love about this neighborhood are the trails. You have the Bear Canyon Arroyo Trail that runs east and west through Arroyo del Oso Golf Course, and Bear Canyon Trib Arroyo Trail that runs through Academy Hills Park. And just north of the neighborhood, you have the popular running trail around Albuquerque Academy. It's an exact 5K if you do a full loop around the whole thing. And if you go early in the mornings, you're gonna see those lovely sunrises. And if you go in the evenings, you're gonna see those beautiful Albuquerque sunsets.
And right across from the Academy Loop Trail, you have one of the Northeast Heights' busiest shopping centers. This has the lovely Whole Foods, has Home Goods for my home decor lovers, so many food options, including a 5-Star Burger, which is one of our team favorites. You've even got clothing shopping like White House Black Market, you've got Loft, you've got Chico's. You also have Starbucks for your convenience, as well as a myriad of other shopping to do right here in this plaza.
And in the heart of Academy East Estates, you have a shopping center with plenty of amenities such as Walmart, you have a pet shop, you've got another Smith's located right there. You also have more food options, including local favorite Dion's Pizza, which if you stop in, you gotta try that ranch because that's what they're known for.
So now that you've seen all that Academy East Estates has to offer, we hope you love it just as much as we do. And
don't forget, we're the CQ Real Estate Group, so if you have any real estate needs, we'd be honored to serve you on your next real estate transaction. Can't wait to see you guys on the next neighborhood tour. Hey, yeah, you're looking for a 4-bed, 3-bath in Northeast Heights, Albuquerque, about 2,500 square feet? I think I got just the neighborhood for you. You're gonna love it.